Hello and welcome to United Grinding North America in our Miamisburg, Ohio Solutions Center. My name is Gary Wimble. Our discussion today will revolve around the Walter HELICHECK 3D measuring machine. The HELICHECK 3D is manufactured at Walter's facility in Tübingen, Germany. The HELICHECK 3D is our laser scanning digital inspection machine and is built on our industry-leading granite base designed to deliver unmatched accuracy and precision. With the 3D, you're able to scan or inspect your tool using the integrated backlight camera, enabling you to scan your tool in 3 to 5 minutes on average and receive the complete integrity of your tool for the quick verification. With the backlight camera, you can use HELICHECK software, making measuring and scanning process much easier to perform. Earlier today, Chad produced this solid carbide step tool on our Helitronic Power 400. Jair is going to take a quick laser scan of this tool so that we can see the complete model for a quick geometrical verification. With the 3D Analyzer software, we can slice the tool horizontally or vertically to verify the most critical measurements. If we were to slice the tool horizontally, this allows you to instantly see diameters, clearance angles, clearance lengths, rake angles, and core diameters. Vertical slices allows you to see corner radiuses, chamfer angles, gash rake angles, any periphery vertical lines. With the 3D Matcher software, we're able to compare the scanned point cloud from our step tool to a master. The master can be another scan tool, a 3D CAD model, or a Tool Studio program that was used on the Helitronic Power 400 to produce this step tool. We import this program to compare the scanned point cloud to the result achieved after grinding. This shows us a color graphic tolerance band over the tool, indicating where the tool is out of tolerance for a quick visual reference. The HELICHECK software is as simple to use as the name suggests. If you're just looking for a quick measurement, you do not need to 3D scan the tool or create an inspection program. Begin the process by putting the tool in the machine, select the area you would like to measure, and you can instantly see the ODs, lengths, chamfers, or radiuses. All of this with the click of a mouse. This removes the human error that can be created on other devices. No programming, just visually look and click. The HELICHECK 3D is a great inspection machine with very little limits. It does not matter if you have a part or a tool. If you have a knee or step tool, this machine can scan it. The technology continues to require tighter tolerances. The industry is requiring parts to have an inspection report to verify your tool, meet customer specifications, and the machine can help you meet these standards. This machine resides at our Solutions Center in Miamisburg, Ohio. United Grinding is ready to conduct complete inspections or a simple machine demonstration if you'd like to visit us. Or we can do a virtual demonstration if you'd prefer. Please visit us either at IMTS Spark or grinding.com for additional machine reviews or for more specific information on our equipment. Thank you for your time.